Hello everyone. Today is day 70 of my 366 day life challenge. Where I come each day sharing my journey, what I went through, and what I'm doing right now, and why this journey. Like, what is this all about? 366 day life challenge. If you may ask, then I'm on a journey from January to December. I want to grow on myself as in the personal as well as in the professional life. Where I want to explore the new things, and what I have been felt was like, yeah, I know, like, I learn a lot of new things, but I was never like consistent on anything. Yeah, like you that's the truth. See, like, I used to do some of the stuff for the 1 2 month, but I was never consistent at the anything for a long time, for a 1 year kind of thing. I'm on this journey because I want to prove myself also, and I want to have a confidence, and I want to see, like, if I give my best for a whole year and each day recording myself, and also allowing myself to express myself, yeah, where I can go through. So uh, so from that mindset, I'm starting this live, and today is day 70. I'm really proud, and I'm really grateful to have been through this journey. So that's the thing. What I'm doing lately is I'm like learning Docker and Nginx, and on the today office, like, I worked on the Nginx and the Docker file setup, and I'm going to show my screen also just soon. But that was a really kind of a great thing because I never like really applied cloud computing, yeah. So today, when I first created my Docker file and the Nginx file, I was really kind of happy, and that was kind of like a advanced thing for me also. I'm still learning, but I think I can do it. Like, I can give my best at it. Kritika Parazuli, oh yeah, get submit, something submit, and what you, and how you been doing? Like, lately, I haven't seen you. Like, where you were? I missed you. Mm. Okay, let me clear up my Chrome. Like, I have around 80 tabs in my Chrome. If you see here also. I have more than 80 tabs on my Chrome. So I will just check it out and like delete all those tabs which I'm not working right now. So I can like open my BS code, so I can show you my code, like what I'm going through, like what updates I have on my like startup and on my code. So just a second for that. And yeah, Kritika, where you were? Like, I missed you, man. Mm, hi, I'm here. I have been busy and distracted. One of my school friend died, so I've been offline for a long time. So sad to hear that, man. Like, from like you already on like white of school, yeah. Like, hmm, why did you miss me? You missed me as a teacher or as a friend. I missed you as a Kritika. I missed you as you are. But so sad to hear that, man. Like, why? Like, no KMC school wala mere. Bro, today lately so much things are happening. Like, just heard that incident regarding that India, like there was a foreigner, yeah, like traveling through the bike, and the Sabian man from the India did that thing to her. Yeah, like, I was so angry, and that kind of why these things are happening, man. We will have talks next time better. Sure. Nep. Yes, man. I'm Nepali. Do you man Nepali? Yeah, like Nep. Sure. We can meet soon and let's talk also. And what are you doing? New things like what's your update on the abroad? That call was read by Indian guys paying, I'm sorry. Yes, I was saying like that also affected so many things. Yeah, like from the tourism to like how we see the woman also. Why like if I was there, I will just kill them with the gunshot. So and now, Kritika, how was your Shivratri? How was your Shivratri? Like on that day, I missed you. Like I was like you're and you're on that day, like not really focused, to be honest. And I went to your house also, like, and I thought to call you, but you really gonna improve about it's been 70 days. You are trying alone, bro. Yes, I will give my best, and still there are a lot of things to learn, and I know, but I will give my best on this because I want to prove myself also, like more than anything. And throughout this year, I have certain goals about the earning also, like how much I can do, and other things like the startup also that I have been like lately always procrastinating, but I don't want to be that biras. So that's the main motive. uh I was high as well. I knew it, so like I wanted to call you like at the 6 p.m. I guess, and I thought let's not kind of, so I didn't call you. Better you did not call. I was high 7 years, bro. I was mad. I forgot my drops too. Ooh. Better you didn't call. Yeah. But yeah, like you always used to message around 10 p.m. Yeah, like, and all that time I used to like think like where is the Kritika? Like how is she doing kind of thing. So let me show you my screen, and I'm taking a new domain. Like I'm buying new domain like for my startups today. So I will also do that here. Mm, why you? Why should I call text first? I do have ego right. You should remember me. Text me. Yeah, mate. I'm asleep now. Sure. Okay. I don't think you have, but okay. Let's Jim, you have. Okay, I will call. But I thought like you are like kind of busy, like. But I will do it. Don't worry. So okay, Kritika. Good night. Take care. So let me share my screen. So so lately I have been learning this query, like I know like this all stuff, but I'm just learning about the caching system, like the in invalidating cache data. Like what is happening is my application is not being fast as I want. Yeah, like it is kind of slow also, and on the page there is the API request going on. Yeah, and that is really creating some time space between the data fetching. So wanting to learn that, and also learning this one. Okay, so today on the office also. And like what I have been doing is I'm setting up bps on the Next.js application. And basically I'm doing is on the cloud panel with the Ubuntu. I'm making a kind of Nginx and a Docker, like I'm like making a Docker file for the Next.js with the Nginx, and like setting up, and I'm like submitting it to the Azure. Like that's the main thing what I'm doing. And there is kind of something that is not going right. Like, okay, like let me show you my code. Okay, so like this is my Docker file. Okay, so what I'm like doing here is from the Node.js 20 app line as builder, I'm taking that, yeah. And like work, like I'm creating one work directory like this app, and I'm like copying the package.json, and I'm doing npm install, and then I'm copying the all code from here. Then what I'm doing here is from the environment next telemetry disable one. What it means is Next.js always collects the data from my code. But from this, what I'm basically trying to do is don't collect my data when I'm building this Docker file. So I'm doing that. And like npm run build for the building of this Next.js application. And what I'm doing is from the there is one package on the Docker like ecosystem, like Nginx app line, yeah. So I'm taking that, and I'm here copying it also. And what I'm doing is I'm also copying the .NET of my folder to this like users here nginx html.next. And what I'm doing is like copying the nginx config, like this nginx config, like this nginx config to this path. I'm doing that, and I'm like exposing the 80 port. And what I'm doing is from the cmd I'm doing nginx global and daemon of. What it means is like a container or like Docker is only set up for one containerization as a default, yeah. But by making it off, I can like start like many services also. I can start many containerization also, yeah. And I can like set up through the like each step, like the Docker op like minus t and the port kind of thing also. But I what I did was I created one Docker compose file, and currently there is the Docker version of 3.9, and I'm taking that, and I'm doing this service for your Next.js application, and I'm giving it a name, and I'm building one service for the Next.js. And like I'm like giving the port 3000 and the 80, and service for nginx. I'm taking this image, like making the name or like container image, and port, and volumes, and app. And like basically what is the problem I'm facing here is at the nginx config. Okay, so if you know also, like Nginx is like really used because for the proxy, like to proxy any web server, or to like start multiple service on your cloud. So that I'm doing, yeah. So like I've been learning this like lately, but I'm still not kind of expert. But I'm sure going to learn this Nginx, Docker, and all those things like soon. But like I'm listening at the 80 server, and like on this service name, yeah, we give our domain name. But as I'm like doing for my local host, yeah, so I'm just giving the local host, and I'm just giving the location for my nginx and my next and my API. Like there is this set header, yeah. Like if you go on your any web browser, okay, like this one, okay. So if you go here also, no, sorry, like on here also, okay. In inspect, if you go, and if you uh go on the network, okay, and if you like just control R. So I'm getting this data from this base. Yeah, so if you go on the header also, yeah, if you go on the header, there is this kind of option. Like, you may think like, what are they? Like, they are like coming from like Nginx or any Apache server. Like, what are they doing is the like caching system, or there is the proxy. Or if like, if we have like okay, I have one container or server like that have like 4 GB of RAM. And if I got like many user, then I will not able to handle all those user. Yeah, so Docker will what do is like, Docker will spin up a new container where that engine X will like send that data flow to the other container. So all the user can get the data, like can retrieve the data from the application. So that's why this like whole Docker, like why it is needed for us also. Because in your laptop, on your local device, you can have like Python version 3. Okay, like, let's assume. But if you want to use like Python version 2, then you can use on the Docker file. And by having that Docker file, you can give it to your friend, or give it to your any like server also, and you can spin that Python 2 version on the any Ubuntu server also. So that's the really point, like why we need Docker at the first place also. Hello, bro. How are you? Like, I'm doing great, bro. And what? How about you? I don't man. Hi, brother. Long time no see. Yes, bro. Like lately, I have my own, like, as I'm doing my double degree, like dual degree. So I have the assignment of the both colleges at the same time, and I was also busy at that stuff. But I was coming live at the like the on the morning or at the late night. But I was never missing a day. But yeah, like, my progress was not very smooth like past week. So I'm sorry for that to everyone. Why it seems like the backend is it? Yeah, like, it is also a part of the backend, but it is more like a cloud computing, like where you do your like DevOps kind of thing. But I just want to like know the workflow of the like front end to back end to DevOps, because as I'm building my startup, yeah, so I cannot really depend on other person to do my work. I need to really be sure that I know like what I'm doing and what I need to do next. And at the first, like, why I started programming also, because like, I don't want to get a like a big job like a FANG company, man company, and get a 1 CR package. I just want to have to build my own startup. And okay, like, if I'm getting a little money also, I'm okay. But I want to build my own startup. So that's the thing, bro. Which one, bro? Like, what? Can you say me again, bro? So, like, lately I'm building one artista startup. Yeah, like art marketplace, and on that I'm working on the backend stuff. But lately, cause as of that, I like the bachelor course. Like, I was not able to give my full time. But lately, I'm like learning this Docker kind of thing and the Nginx, and that's the thing, bro. And if you are guys like new to this channel, then hope you subscribe to this channel and be a part of this journey. And yeah, bro, like today I'm going to live for 2 3 hours. Like, I'm so much hyped today, and I just want to focus my mind again, cause my college work are all finished. So I'm free also, so I really want to learn. So on this today live, my main motive is to learn more about Docker, learn more about Nginx, and like what are the other configuration I can add to my current code. Okay, I was asking about the degree. Okay, so brother, like I'm doing one BSc physics on the science on the physics, and the another is BCA. So I'm doing 2 degree, and I'm also doing like 8 hour job like daily, like full-time job. And that's why like my time is kind of messed up and kind of not able to give full time to this YouTube live. So I come at the night time. So what is Docker? So okay, so basically Docker, like there can be a many definition, a long definition also, but just simply okay. There was one problem in the IT field, that when a developer codes and give that code to the IT team to like deploy in the server, yeah, to manage at the server. At the development side, their like code was working, but when they gave that code to the server guy, like where at the actual server, their like version. Okay, so Raul bro, you are learning React, yeah. So React has like 18 version, and that server guy has the React 16 version. So when you give your code to that guy, like you are not giving your like whiz version, like all those stuff, yeah, and there are like other stuff also. But having the Docker file will, like, it is kind of a layer by layer execution of your code. As you can see here also on the Docker, I'm like already defining like node 20, so I want to use node version 20. So by specifying that, so there can be any version of node to that guy of the like the IT8 where he is like deploying, yeah. He can just spin that Docker file and he will have the Node.js 20. Although on his local application he can have Node like version 16, 17, anything, but it will maintain like a same environment for all the people. So there will be no more like kind of difficulties to run your code on the server side, on the cloud computing. And the Docker is widely used in the every space now. What is because why not? Because it really helps for, like every developer in a team. So I have been like learning it, like not, I don't have like too much experience on this also, but from as my learning, I'm sharing with you guys this. But I will learn more and I will also share you more, guys. Damn bro, that's amazing. Saw your video day before yesterday. For first time subscribe Stanley, use respect for your hard work. Thanks a lot bro, that really means a lot. Kind of converting the another version. Okay, so okay, let me just simplify. Okay, not converting. Okay, Docker is a isolated system. So okay, on your Raul, yeah, like on your laptop there is the Node.js 17, and on mine I have 20. But on the Docker I can spin up Docker like Node.js 18, that I also don't have and you also don't have. But I can take that Node.js 18, and when I create that Docker file, Docker compose, yeah, and when I share to the all of the people, my friend or the net also, when they spin that server, the Node.js will like run on that isolated system, like on the different layer of your computer, like not converting, but we already specify that version should be used when you are setting up a like a Docker container. So that will use in the any computer, like mainly like if you just first like learn theory, then if you go through the practical on the code also, then you can understand many things. But there is nothing like mode also, yeah bro. And yeah, lately I'm learning this thing also bro, like uh, have you learned this GitHub workflow? It's too good, man. Like GitHub Actions, like from these actions, by just git commit, git push, yeah, like git like you can make any branch also, yeah. Like if you go on one branch and if you commit and if you push also, then if you want to like spin up on a new server, or if you can do bunch of things just by using GitHub Action also. So like if you are learning GitHub, then you might give a try like sometime at the GitHub Action also. So that's the thing. Okay, so let me start my new what I want to do to okay, okay. So I'm going to throw a lot something here also, and I need to change some of my code here. Okay, so so I'm doing this. So RO means read only. Okay, so I can like RE also here, and this nginx.config really means on this like path, like it is giving a path. And if I give like docker, uh, com okay. So if I give okay, let me hide this. So if I sudo docker compose up, okay, if I give that, and so if you can see, this will run shortly. So my GitHub, like my Docker file is being building up and it is setting up also. Okay, so it is running here. So if you guys have any queries regarding anything, I'm here to like give as per my knowledge. But thank you really man for being a part out of this journey. And I have been stammering, yeah, like so like if you are thinking like why I'm talking sometime, like I have a stammer, so I sometimes like stammer a lot, and sorry for that. But I'm trying to improve and overcome this also by like really speaking out lately, loudly on each day, so my stammering problem can also like can be fixed. So that's why I'm practicing this. But let me just docker docker Nginx. And like what I found was, yeah, like when I went through the Next.js official documentation also, yeah, so there they have only the Next.js page router code, not the like the app router. So that was kind of a disappointed for me because okay, okay, let me see. Volume, it is using Next.js step volume and restart always on the ease thing. Okay, Docker Compose, what is doing is it is taking these emails and port like 3000 and container next step Docker file target production argument like Next.js Google key. Okay, like the volume and the app and the environment I can give like this, and the front end. So I'm like using uh Nginx config and the Nginx, like this comes by the default, and this comes by like specifying your own. And this is my Docker file here, yeah, like what are they doing is from the Node.js 14 as a apply as base, they are creating one app folder, and on that app folder what they are doing is copying the package.json, and also copying the yarn lock. Okay, and they are also copying the other code also, and argument for the Google keys and the public app version. And okay, and what they are doing is copying the from pre-production app public production dot next, and the from the node module. Like I think we don't need to do this like node module, because I think that we can do on the git ignore also, like don't. I think same man, same. Everyone says to me, "Atira bolso or kera bolso." Yeah, man. Like if you have known me from the like my childhood, like I used to stammer a lot, and I was always kind of afraid to even talk. Also, yeah. But in the high school, like one thing hit me was, uh, if I don't speak it, like speak it out loud and don't share my ideas and what I can do, yeah, then I can not really uh, uh, take the things what I want from on this world. Yeah, like I can start my own company, I can do a lot of things. Yeah, so I started my own ID club in my high school, and that really like gave me like a kind of platform to speak to speak to a bunch of students. Yeah, and still I'm practicing daily by speaking to you guys, and thank you for listening to me and always being there for me. And I know like I'm on just a day 70 and I'm on a 366 day. Yeah, so there is a lot of room for me to like even upgrade myself and to improve. So I'm always eager to learn and improve on my own, like on my life. And lately I am sleeping like kind of 5 hour daily. Yeah, but I'm thinking to make it short to like 4 to 3 hour kind of sleep for each day, because if I sleep for 5 hours also, like I'm not getting the time for to read, do the work and all these things. So today I will try to sleep at the 3 a.m. or kind of thing, and I need to wake up at 6 a.m. also. So I need to practice for the sleep less also, bro, because I'm I want time, bro. Like I'm learning quantum computing also like daily. And like bro, like I recently got this one, like I wanted to share with you guys, but I think like most of you guys are not on with me on the LinkedIn. Yeah, so today I got this one LinkedIn. uh I got this IBM certification for the Quantum Explorer Intermediate. Like I did this like course from the like late February, like from like July to February, like about 6 7 months. And that was kind of a really interesting and very challenging program. And I'm very happy to share with you guys, like I obtain this kind of certificate. Like certificate doesn't mean a lot, but that can also show you something, like what was the picture, like what was the story behind something. Yeah, never sacrifice sleep for work. You might not work productively in that race. Yeah, bro, like thanks for this comment. But like lately, like the past 1 2 year, I sleep around averagely 3 4 hour. And at the first, as you mentioned, I was not productive. Yeah, but after having some time, like that was my routine. So I was like comfortable on that time also. But I think I can do it like 3 4 hours sleep, because bro, I'm not having time for anything to do. Like I have so many things to apply. So, but I will prioritize my sleep. Like if some days I want to sleep, then I will like straight go for sleep for 4 3 hours, like 5 6 hours also. And I don't know why. Like I'm stammering today so much. I don't know, cause of like today. Hmm, I don't know, bro. But okay, let me read and let me learn some of this stuff. Like it is just making a Docker file, like not really making a Docker compose. Like I went through like so many article blogs, but most of the articles were never like a kind of a all in one thing, bro. 3 4 hours will be punishment to your brain. Thermopony for 5 hours. So the difference is I was time you work in that time. No, bro, like Iron Man. Yeah, like I seen you before also. Yeah, bro, like you are from Nepal. Yeah, so like what semester, or what you're are you studying, and what are you doing, bro? Like web development or app development? I wanted to ask you, bro. So Next.js app deployed with Docker, does it make sense? Bro, like this YouTuber, okay? He is really good, man. Like he also goes live, yeah. And I really liked it, his way of speaking and of like entering people. Like, and he's also best good at the roast also. And for this, my one of my goal as for my year is to learn roast also, yeah. And after some month, like 1 2 month, I'm going to start my roast learning also. Yes, we connected on LinkedIn, on Nepal. म पनि फ्रन्ट एन्डमा काम गरिरहेको छु. That's great, bro. Like what tech stack you are using, bro? Bro, and like, okay, so like for the data fetching, yeah, like do you use React query or like a fetch, or like do you use RTK query? And I want to ask you something regarding like state management also, okay? So do you use Redux or not, or like uh how do you like manage daily like state management? So because like lately I'm just learning RTK query, and like I'm doing the state management from there also, from the data fetching. And I'm also learning Redux like more. Like what I felt was like many people can learn React on the some time, but like the main thing is like a state management, yeah. React query context API for state management. Okay, bro. Like, okay. So let me share you my code. Okay, like here. So okay, what I did was mm, so I'm having one small problem. Like, I want to share on this live, so you can give me some ideas. Okay. So I'm using RTK query, and I was using context API. Like from the context API, from the token, yeah, like from the OTP, I was getting the token. And from that context API was what I was doing was I was making the protected route, okay? So if that page doesn't has the token, then I'm just log out from that page, like that kind of functionality I was making. But what I was facing the problem was I was taking that token from the context API, and I was passing to the RTK query, yeah. So cause of the time difference, or like as soon as the article query started, it did not have the like the token. So there was kind of some time difference, so my API was not hitting as I expected. And what I did was I just removed the context API code, and I rewrote it from the React, like on the Redux. Okay, let me show you Redux. This one, no, not this one. This is the employee kind of thing. Okay, so here is which code I have been changed. Okay, let me see. So this is the Docker, yeah. Let me just discard it for now. And uh, I think I have that code on the Betas. Okay, Betas branch. So and what I did was I created one auth slice, yeah. And what I did was at the initial state I took the token from the local storage, and if I got the token, and that's okay. If not, the null, and user also null. And what I did was initial state reducer, and I payload the token and the user, and I set item like token and user, yeah. And what I'm having right now facing the problem is, as I do this, yeah, my state is not being managed. Like if I refresh, yeah, my token is not going through the API, and that I'm like facing and still need to code, bro. Hmm. So this was my company slice at the Redux toolkit. On the post request, I like created one a store, and on the employee, I created one like the from the. Are you here, bro? Like, and bro, like, how is your experience with the React query? Like, I have never used like React query. Like, I use like a phase, and there is on the Next.js, so there is their own like phase system, yeah. So I use that phase from the API route, and I did that, and I'm learning article query, but I have never used like React query. So should I try it? एपिआई हिट भएर टोकन आउन टाइम फ्रेन्चमा त्यो आगोको रन भइसकेको यस या लाइक सो आई विल स्पिक अन नेपाली अन दिस पार्ट ओके सो के मेन चाहिँ के भइरहेको थियो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ अब मैले त्यो के अरे कन्टेक्स एपिआईबाट टोकन लिएको हो नि त अनि कन्टेक्स एपिआईमा टोकन बस्यो लाइक मेरो एप्लिकेसनको लोकल स्टोरेजमा नि मेरो टोकन चाहिँ थियो बट अब त्यो मैले आरटिके कोइरी चाहिँ अब ड्यासबोर्डमा जाने बित्तिकै मैले लाइक भएन गेट प्रोफाइल भन्ने मेरो एपिआई छ अब त्यहीबाट त नामहरूले फेच गर्न लाग्यो नि त अनि त्यो फेच गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ उसको फर्स्टमा फेचै भएन क्या मैले कि अब मेरो ब्राउजरलाई फेरि रिफ्रेस हानी भने चाहिँ त्यो अब उसले टोकन लियो अनि सबै फेस भयो सबै वर्क गर्छ तर एट फर्स्ट चाहिँ त्यो मैले रिफ्रेसै गर्नु पर्यो क्या मैले लाइक भन्नाले यतिसम्म गरेँ कि सब थोक ट्राई गरेँ जस्तो कि अब त्यो मेरो फर्स्टको फेजवाला थियो नि लाइक जो एपिआई अब मैले त्यसलाई 5 सेकेन्डको टाइम डिले पनि राखेँ मैले यस्तोसम्म गरेँ कि टोकन लाइक प्रपरली सेट भएपछि लोकलमा त्यसपछि मात्र फेच हुने काइन्ड अफ त्यो गर्दाखेरि पनि भएन क्या लाइक इच वे आई ट्राइड या लाइक इच एन्ड एभ्री वे आई ट्राई टु मेक स्योर द्याट there is the token at the local application and I'm taking that from there and I'm only then making the call but it was not working and what I thought was like I was using like context API also and the RTK query also yeah code हेरौँ न राम्ररी okay bro mm, on this Biraj I have the Redux code okay so I need to go to back to the git checkout on this one I think yeah so this is the auth context so I'm like creating one context and where I have like auth user and the set auth user and is login and set is login yeah so from where I'm getting the token is so let me open the all the files that I need here okay and okay let me open my template also so on this template.jsx like I'm making sure like is that page I'm getting the token or not and if I don't have the token or the user then I'm like router dot push to the dashboard or at the login space if I don't have the token yeah So I'm doing this from the template, and from where I am getting the token is from the OTP auth. From the auth OTP. So from here I'm getting. So when I got the success from the mutation, I'm taking that data.data.token and data.data.user to the local storage, and I'm also set auth user, like user and token, yeah. And what is this set is logged in true is like I'm like I wanted to console also on the uh console, so I'm making this, yeah. Are you following me or not? Okay. So from here I'm getting the token, and then like I'm setting here the context, and like I'm like make sharing on my layout.json, like not on this on the my main layout.json, like I'm like wrapping it on like auth provider also. Like on this three page I have my context api, yeah, like working properly. And from here uh test profile, test profile card. And why I committed this code I don't know, but okay. So on this what I'm doing is, on this query like get profile query, I'm get used get profile query, so I'm getting the data, yeah. And what I'm doing is, if there is the auth user and the auth user dot token, then console that data. But it is not working properly. Like after, if I only refresh the page, so if I run this also, I like gave my like 1 to 3 days, but still like I did like all the things I was aware of and I could think of. But and then what I did was like I just removed this all context API code, and I like started with working on the Redux. Like on the Redux from the start, like I'm like setting the token and the user as I did with my uh token, like on my context API. So okay, I will let me show you on here also. Mm, So I got this get profile, and like my all API are working from the start, yeah. But if I'm the first time coming to this application, okay, I'm coming for first time, and I'm also loading this on my your incognito mode, okay. So at the first time I'm coming here, yeah. So if I go N9084262115, so if I go and I got the OTP and I got the token, and yeah. So you can see name not available. I'm not getting the total company also, yeah. And you can see my token. So I have the token also here, and I have the user also, yeah. But still, by having the token also, my API is not getting called. But if I just refresh at the first time, yeah, then now my user will also come, my data will also come, my company to total will also come. Like these things will come, yeah, like all the data are like coming. But at the first time, why it did not load at the same time? Like that's my issue. Like cause of the time difference, or cause of why, like where is my, okay, here is my stream yard. ओ टाइम आउट हाल्दा नि भएन हार्ड रिफ्रेस नै गर्नुपर्ने, या ब्रो, लाइक हार्ड रिफ्रेसै गर्नुपर्ने भयो क्या, लाइक सो द्याट वाज द थिङ. and I tried like many thing make sure like there was the local storage like token, yeah. And मैले भर्खरै नि देखाएँ लाइक त्यो उ- उ- उतापट्टि डाटा आएको थिएन, तर लाइक उता लोकल स्टोरेजमा चाहिँ टोकन देखाइरहेको थियो होइन. And so I was kind of confused also, and I thought like uh, I was using RTK query also and the context API also, and I thought like cause of the time difference or like my API was kind of like not much sure about this also. Like I went through a lot of Reddit like Stack Overflow, but I did not find out, and I just changed this code. And right now what I'm doing is uh and like what I'm now doing is like I commented all this code like auth context and on the redux, like just making sure that same, like taking the token and taking the user. And on the test profile what I'm doing is I like not okay. So if you see on this auth slice, yeah, what I'm doing is export const select current token and the current user, and I'm like making like I'm destructuring it, yeah, like for the that state of the current state. And on the test profile card, like I'm taking the use selector, and I'm taking like from the use selector I'm taking this select current user. And if I run this, yeah, still like my problem is not solved. And in my office I'm a single front-end developer, like what like I'm a single front-end developer and I have one intern. But like before I used to have one mentor also on the front end, but I don't know like some of there was kind of a issue regarding office also, so he is not anymore, yeah. And so there are like flutter developer, backend developer, pro project manager, QA, and UI, but not really or someone at the front end that can really guide me, yeah. And that's the issue. So like everything I'm learning on my own, and like although I'm like sharing my knowledge to my intern, but still like I'm not able to give her my best learning because I'm also learning, yeah. त्यस्तो त नहुनुपर्ने रियाक्ट क्वेरीले एसिन्क वेमै डेटा ह्यान्डल गर्छ त. या ब्रो लाइक रियाक्ट क्वेरीमा मैले हेरेको थिएँ लाइक यसले चाहिँ लाइक स्टेट म्यानेजर भन्दा नि एसिङ स्टेट म्यानेजमेन्ट राम्रो रहेछ होइन. लाइक बट आइएम लाइक युजिङ आरटिके क्वेरी, या लाइक द रियाक्ट रिडक्स टुल किट. अनि लाइक फर्स्टमा चाहिँ I too had an option to choose RTK query or React query because मलाई लाइक फर्स्टमा त बोथ नै थाहा थिएन लाइक के हो भन्ने नै. बट आई वाज स्टार्टिङ लर्निङ रिडक्स एन्ड लाइक त्यो नाम सेम छ नि त लाइक रिडक्स टुल किट क्वेरी र रिडक्स. एन्ड आई थट लाइक रिडक्स सिक्दैछु, सो इफ आई युज आरटिके क्वेरी देन आई क्यान लाइक रियली ह्यान्डल अल दोज थिङ्स, या. अनि लाइक आरटिके क्वेरी पनि लाइक सजिलै छ लाइक आई निड टु ब्रेक माई कोड मोर, या. बट अहिले चाहिँ यो मेरो अर्को ब्रान्च हो लाइक मेन चाहिँ होइन है, लाइक यो पुरानो लाइक लेट मी सो यु. सो आरटिके क्वेरी पनि लाइक सजिलै छ लाइक जस्ट एउटा फाइलमा अब म्युटेसन हो कि लाइक आइडी हो, अब त्यही अनुसार सबै थोक हुन्छ एउटै ठाउँबाट. बट मैले नि त्यसरी नै गर्छु लाइक युआर डुइङ टेबलमा काम गरिरहेको हुन्छ मोस्ट अफ द टाइम बट नेभर फेस टच इस्यु. त्यो तिम्रो जुन प्रोफाइल इन्फो लोड भनेको छ नि, क्यान यु सो मी द्याट वान, त्यही स्पेसिफिक फिल्ड लाइक द्याट कन्टेक्स्ट एपिआई वान, या. सो इफ यु ओके no no okay that test profile card. So this one is the code, okay. So I will like show you this one also. Get profile query, get profile query, get profile query. So okay, so from this get profile, like I'm like taking the data profile, employer get profile, yeah, and on the test profile card, I'm importing it, and I'm making one data get profile query is loading or error, and I'm taking that. And what I'm doing is from the profile data, I'm taking the get profile query or question mark data, and from this profile data, like uh, why it is not selected? Okay, so I'm first checking like is loading or not, and I'm like rendering like a skeleton, because so wait a minute. Okay, oh yeah, this one I let me run also. Mhm. And what I'm doing is like profile data dot profile image, so dot email, like I don't know, like is this the right way or wrong, because I don't have the kind of mentor, yeah, on my project. But as far as I know and what I'm doing, I thought like this is the way. But you can really help me, bro, like if you think uh, are you seeing this, bro? And I'm using material UI, like what like हजुरको like styling use गर्नुहुन्छ like tailwind or like I, I too started like this project with the tailwind, but at the start of this project there was one senior like front-end developer, yeah, and he said me that use material UI because like एउटा कुनै एउटा यस्तो specific style कुनै छ भने पछि छिटो प्रोजेक्टहरू गर्न सजिलो हुन्छ टेलविन भन्दा नि. And so I thought like okay, I can give it a try and try new thing also. Yeah, I think yeah. So hello hello, yeah. So main issue चाहिँ त्यही रिफ्रेस गरेर चाहिँ आइरहेको छ. So I thought like the time like context on one another thing is, let me show you my API also, yeah. So here, so I think this is the main mistake, yeah. But like मलाई चाहिँ यसमा धेरै के प्रब्लम छ जस्तो लागिरहेको छ होइन. मेन चाहिँ त्यो त्यो जुन डे स्ट्रक्चर गरेको गेट प्रोफाइल क्वेरी त्यसले डाटा पठाउँछ होइन अब्जेक्टमा. यस ब्रो, लाइक मलाई चाहिँ यसमा प्रब्लम लाग्यो. लाइक मैले चाहिँ लाइक आरटिके क्वेरीमा मैले टोकन पठाउनु पऱ्यो नि त प्रि हेडरमा. मैले चाहिँ के गरेको थिएँ भन्दाखेरि टोकन चाहिँ अब मेरो लोकलबाट गेट गरेर त्यसलाई मैले यहाँनिर सेट गरेर पठाइरहेको छु होइन. अनि मलाई मेन प्रब्लम चाहिँ के लाग्यो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ मैले कि यतैबाट कुनै एउटा वेबाट तान्न मिल्छ कि मैले ट्राई चाहिँ गरेँ तर फेरि आएन. अनि मैले लाइक यही वेबाट भइरहेको थियो. लाइक मेन चाहिँ के अब भन्दा चाहिँ लागिरहेको छ भन्दाखेरि उसले उताबाट रन भइरहेछ तर यहाँबाट टोकन तानेर यो यो टोकन यहाँ उसले सेट गरेर एपिआईबाट डाटा आउने हो नि त. अनि यो डाइरेक्टली नभएर काइन्ड अफ टाइम डिले भएको जस्तो लागिरहेछ मेन चाहिँ यतापट्टि. तर फेरि उता मैले यदि रिडक्सै युज गरेँ यदि मैले रिडक्स युज गरिरहेको छु र मैले यो कन्टेक्स्ट एपिआई युज गरेको छुइनँ भने चाहिँ मैले ओटिपी पेजबाटै जब मैले टोकन पाउँछु तब नि मैले सेट गर्न मिल्दो रहेछ होइन। लाइक सेट भन्दा नि तब नि मैले लाइक एउटा छुट्टै स्टेट बनाएर लाइक रिडक्समा सबै स्टेटहरूको हुन्छ नि त। अनि मैले छुट्टै एउटा स्टेट बनाएर त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ मैले कल गरिरहेको थिएँ, त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ मिलिरहेको थियो। बट स्टिल आइ एम फेसिङ समथिङ दियर अल्सो। अनि अहिले चाहिँ लाइक एउटा यो कुरा बनाइरहेको छु, लाइक लेट मी सो यु ब्रो, लाइक क्यान आई आस्क यु समथिङ लाइक इफ यु आर हियर वेट कन्सको तल युआर टोकन लोकल स्टोरेज डट गेट आइटम टोकन इन्स्टेड अफ माथि इन्स्टेड अफ कलिङ माथिको फङ्सन विच वान? ओके 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 वेट कन्समा को तल युआर टोकन इट्स कस्ट टु दिस वान या ब्रो यु आर टकिङ अबाउट या टोकन इन्स्टेड अफ कलिङ माथिको फङ्सन कि कता भन्नुभयो हजुरले? लाइक मैले त न्यू हेडर भनेर अथराइजेसन दे बेयर टोकन यहाँ राखेँ अनि टाइप अफ विन्डोबाट जेसनमा पार्स गरेर लिएँ होइन। यसमै भन्नुभयो है न्यू हेडरको माथि एक्ज्याक्टली न्यू हेडरको माथि एक्ज्याक्टली दिस न्यू हेडर यसको भन्नुभयो होइन। न्यू हेडरको माथि सो आई थिङ्क न्यू हेडर या दिस वान ए ओके ओके लाइक यो भन्नुभएको के भने कन्स्ट न्यू हेडरको तल चाहिँ यो त मेरो जस्ट टोकन हाल्नलाई भयो होइन। लाइक हेडर प्री हेडर हेडर लाइक मैले यो चाहिँ पहिला एप्लिकेसन डट जेसन नि हाले गरेको थियो तर यो हाल्दाखेरि चाहिँ मेरो त फर्म डेटा जस्तो कि हामीले यो के अरे फाइलहरू सबमिट गर्न मिल्दैन रहेछ अनि मैले अनकमिट गराएको थिएँ। तर हजुरले भनेको अनुसार चाहिँ यही कोडबाटै नमिलेको है भने किन ब्रो लाइक यो गरेर सानो कुरा सोधिहाल्छु या लाइक के सो लाइक एक्ज्याक्ट भन्नु पर्दैन बट वाट्स योर रेन्ज लाइक एज अ फ्रन्ट एन्ड लाइक वाट्स योर रेन्ज लाइक क्यान यु से लाइक आइ एम अल्सो ट्राइङ टु स्पिक टु माई अफिस रिगार्डिङ दिस काइन्ड अफ स्यालेरी थिङ या एन्ड आई डोन्ट नो लाइक मार्केटमा कस्तो छ बिकज आई हेभ नो वान लाइक लाइक कोही साथीहरू त्यस्तो त्यस्तो कोही छैन क्या अनि आई डोन्ट नो लाइक वाट्स द मार्केट थिङ सो जस्ट हल्का रेन्ज मात्र भन्नुभयो भने लाइक इट विल बी रियल्ली काइन्ड अफ बिग थिङ फर मी बिकज त्यही भएर लाइक क्यान यु सेयर लाइक इफ यु आर कम्फोर्टेबल जस्ट रेन्ज मात्र भनिदिँदा नि हुन्छ अर लाइक रेन्ज मात्र लाइक वाट यु थिङ्क लाइक सुड बी लाइक तपाईँको रेन्ज भन्न हल्का अनकम्फोर्टेबल भयो नि लाइक वाट सुड बी लाइक अ फ्रन्ट एन्ड डेभलपरको चाहिँ बिकज म पहिला चाहिँ एज एसयु एक्सपर्ट गरिरहेको थिएँ अफिसमा के सो लाइक मलाई पनि थाहा छैन आम नट एक्सपर्ट म प्रोभाइल टिम भन्दा नि नुगो होइन होला लाइक म चाहिँ पहिला लाइक त्यही अफिसमा एज अ एसयु एक्सपर्ट काम गरिरहेको थिएँ फर 1 इयर जति अनि लाइक त्यसमा लाइक धेरैजना इन्टर्नहरू नि हुनुहुन्थ्यो लाइक 10-20जना सबलाई सिकायो अनि त्यहीबाट मैले नयाँ ब्रोहरूलाई एसयु एक्सपर्ट बनाएँ अनि मैले चाहिँ लाइक रियाक्ट पहिलेदेखि नै सिकिरहेको थियो र मलाई चाहिँ जे भयो नि लाइक यो अनलाइन डिजिटल मार्केटिङ भन्दा नि लाइक आफ्नो स्टार्टअप बिल्ड गर्नलाई एउटा कुनै टेक स्ट्याक लिएर गऱ्यो भने द्याट विल बी लाइक बेटर या bro language yeah bro like I thought like you are not here okay so like basically cause of that like I like this that SEO role and I started doing React and my still my salary is same as the what I did when I was at the SEO expert yeah and I think I need to talk about it and like what I'm thinking is to ask around 35 to 40 or I don't know like that is good or not like because right now like I'm only a front-end developer solo also and after this project I have like one lead generation startup project that I need to do and of the same project I need to make one admin website also yeah like admin web application from that admin you can manage all the things yeah like all the functionalities and I'm doing solo and still learning also and don't know like what should I ask also do negotiation and you should ask for increment yes bro like I don't know the like market range also like that's the thing I'm facing mainly bro do you know one thing yeah, you can share me, bro. So okay, you can share, bro. And from that, bro, like Iron Man, bro, like, okay, like I really did not focus on this pre-header. Okay, so header set header. My comment is getting filtered. Don't know why. My comment is getting filtered. Okay. Sorry for that. Like I don't know, like it not applied any setting like that. If I don't know, like can check. What? Sorry, bro. Like I think if you share some link, yeah, then that will not display on the comment. I think, and that's the reason. But I'm still not sure about that. Okay, let me see. Okay, like one thing. RTK query. To RTK query. Uh, prepare header overriding TypeScript manual header. Okay, so where is the token going? Parameter like here they are also using get state dot auth dot token and if token headers dot set get state yeah auth dot token used when automatically setting JSON type editor for does not have an explicit content type default type JSON timeout or number in milliseconds as it represents the time a request can take before timeout. Refresh or a face function that operates the default on the window can be usefully accessed environment where you may need to leverage isomorphic face, crossface, pre-header. Yeah, this one pre-header headers dot header API get state like okay bro what I can do here is uh set okay what I can do here is okay what I can do here is okay add the API yeah add the uh I can be called at the top layer must be in a React function or a custom React group function. Yeah, bro. Like I tried doing this also, and I need to change this in a small API to big API. Okay, and it will work, but I need to change at the different part of this code also. I think कोड पल्टाएर वाइटीले फिल्टर गरिरहेछ. So bro, like we are on LinkedIn, yeah. Like if you have that code, then you can copy and paste here also. If you are like, uh, okay, and according to your age and in this age, you become front-end developer. That's a big thing, and nowadays it's very hard, and it's not a little thing. You should be proud of yourself for this. Yes, bro. Like I'm proud, and I know, but it's still like if you see on like a personal level, yeah, like I'm not like I should be satisfied with myself, but I'm still not because I need to learn like full stack, like the backend stuff also, and like I'm not always doing programming that I know because after building this startup, I want to scale it up. Also, I'm like learning quantum also, yeah. Like my main like focus is on the quantum, but for that quantum I need to pass my bachelor. Only after my bachelor and the master I can work on a resource field. So if I see on that way, yeah, like I think I should do more kind of way. But yeah, bro, but thanks a lot. Like you are giving me some kind of thing. Yeah, like sometime I should also rest kind of thing. Like not really a rest, but should be satisfied kind of way. Yeah, and thanks for that, bro. I think तिम्रो टोकन फङ्सन माथि पहिला कल भइरहेछ, सो इस्यु आएको होला माथि. ओके भयो लाइक सो मेरो के भइरहेछ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ होइन मैले यो आरटिके क्वेरी चाहिँ टोकन आएपछि मात्र कल गर्ने भनेर राखेको छ होइन. अनि ओके सो आई गट दिस टोकन फ्रम हियर, या. And what it is doing is from like get profile, like okay, so bro, like what I can do here is, yeah, uh basically मेरो यो on this query लाइक हल्का टाइम डिफ्रेन्सले गर्दाखेरि भयो जस्तो थियो होइन. मैले यसमै टाइम आउट पनि हाल्न सक्यो एउटा चाहिँ लाइक त्यो पोलिङ भन्ने हुन्छ नि, फेरि फेज गर्ने लाइक हार्ड फ्रेज के अरे हार्ड रिफ्रेस गर्ने त्यो गर्न सक्यो. तर टोकन माथि कल एकचोटि कन्स्ट न्यू हेडरको तलको टोकन टोकन इज कस्ट टु ए ओके ओके ब्रो, लाइक ओके. सो यु आर सेङ मी हियर, या, न्यू हेडरको तल, या. I think, yeah, you are saying me here. Okay, let me try. Okay, bro. Okay, what I will do is I will go, not no not here. Okay, just a second. Okay, brother, all of you, let me. Okay, let me start my one new, and let me go on the localhost. Yeah, bro. If this really works, then I will be so much happy, bro. Okay, yeah, like if I think from your point of view, yeah, like token was on the top and it is kind of not taking that token, yeah, because it was okay. Okay, sorry, let me see. Okay, so let me check. There is no any token, yeah. So let me try. Okay, 9808426215. So get token, got the OTP, got the verify, got the things, bro. It worked, bro. Let me, okay, delete it and log out and try again. 98. For this time, let me use another number. Okay, 9844 45971897 and get data in verify. But this time my number was different. Yeah, my number was different, but I got the same profile. And if I refresh, then yeah, this photo is coming from the back end because I have not set the name. So okay, like what I bro, like thank you so much. Okay, so like I should have put that token inside that inside this place. Yeah, from here I should take the token and I should give that value here. But now what is happening is audio number it will be leaked. Uh, that's like that is my WhatsApp number, not a personal. Like I have my different number for a personal use. So yeah, if you want to contact me, you can me through that phone number. But I use for that WhatsApp, Telegram kind of thing. But okay, like basically, bro. Okay, uh, what is now happening is at the first I got that gate profile. Yeah. Okay, okay. Let me do one thing. Let me delete this also. Let me go again. Okay, bro. Yeah. At the first I got it without the reference. Yeah. Yeah. And if I do it log out, and if I do 945 and 7, if I do get profile, so this is my different number. Yeah. And let me just, okay, before even going with this new number, let me see at my application I have my token or not. So I don't have. Yeah, I don't have. But if I do 98929897 and get profile and verify. Yeah, bro, like I'm not getting that same name. Bro, you are genius, man. Iron Man. माथिको कोट कट नगर जस्ट त्यहाँ तल नि राख. So okay, 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 bro. Mm, oh, sorry, sorry. I just got it. Copy. So you mean to say I should place it on this fourth way, yeah? But this token is not getting used like from the scope को लेबलमा त यसले नै यसकै स्कोपको टोकन लिने भयो नि त. So let me read, okay, like from where it was. I think yeah, is it scope in quantum? Yeah, this is your spirit. Yes, bro. Like quantum is like next big thing in the world, and I'm just learning from my past 4 5 year from my when I was from my class 8 to 9. I'm so much interested in the quantum mechanics, quantum physics, and after in the like plus two, I was really getting like so much kind of excited for the quantum computing and doing one international degree also on that, and all other many program also, and really excited for the quantum. You are such a hardworking person. I don't know why I will be like you. What I will try, bro. Like you will also, bro. Like sure, just keep doing your best. And I'm also not the best, but I try to be my best. माथिको कोड गर्नबाट जस्तै it's weird that with a different phone number you are getting the same ID. Yeah, but at the like just recently I did not got the same ID. Yeah, and was like token was different at that time also, but I think my logout functionality might not worked at that time. What's up, bro? Like I'm doing great, bro. And what about you, bro? Tala just call token instead of लोकल स्टोरेज कड तल चाहिँ टोकनलाई कल गरिदिने सो माथिको चाहिँ युआर सेङ लाइक बट लाइक माथिको त्यो अघि हटाएरै मुनिबाट आएको जस्तो लाग्यो नि त होइन अघि भर्खर एड गरेको कोड हटाएर जस्ट अनि सी सो युआर सेङ हियर या सब बिराज नो नो माथिको तलको कोड सो युआर सेङ हियर I'm doing great, bro. What about you, bro? We're saying this like बुझेन मैले भयो Okay, so let me check. Okay, I think this time it will work perfectly. So let me like this. So let me create one incognito mode and let me go at the local host and let me go on the local 9808426115 get OTP 5909. Let me verify this code, bro. At the first I did not get, man. Like if I do refresh here, then I think I will get. No, still I'm not getting. Like it is calling this token, but I think I have my token here also. No, my token is not being. Yeah, yeah. I have my token and I have my Biraj sword. Like this kind of name here. Yeah. But let me see in the network. Control R. Yeah, like no API is called here. Mm, But bro, like at the second time, yeah, like when I log out and when I log in with the different number also, like at that time the different login number API was like I got the different token, and from that I got the different profile query. Yeah, so I think like that way it will work. Mm, just do call token consman no, no Alda. What language is this? So like so on the sometime, yeah, like I'm speaking Nepali, so I have my brother Iron Man. He's from also Nepal, and he's like helping me on my code. So please tell me your. I thought Mathiko token is function. Sorry, my bad. Is like this one? Like no, like just taking like the Windows को object बाट just to like local storage बाट get item like लिएर JSON parse गरे हो. Like I think this way like the माथिको हटाएरै like I think by having it here it was working fine, bro. Like yeah, like see my API just got called here. Yeah, just now got called. As soon as I like set your token, my API was called. Like what I can do here is like like I'm taking it from the local storage like get item, yeah. But like I have this token from here also. Okay, like I have this token in this template, like on this get auth user, yeah, get auth user, like no like on this use effect I'm taking token like, as the same way, yeah. And what I'm doing here is on token and like get set token. So what I can do is from set auth user I can take the token and I can pass it to the store. Like no, I can pass it to the API directly. But for that, I need to change this API like this name, like because just recently I did that, yeah, and that said me to change the name kind of thing, and I need to change to the every like root or reducer to each and every folder. So I will try that way also. Uh, okay, so how it is going, man? Like it is going great, bro. And okay, for the extension like theme, I'm using this one. Okay, I just forgot the name. Like that name was, yeah, this winter is coming. Winter, winter is coming. No, no, winter is coming theme. And I thought माथिको token is function. Sorry, my bad. In that direct conversation, my we can debug. I'm not an expert. Like I'm also not expert. Like but bro, like what I found out was if we do like code review also, yeah, like we can really learn a lot because when I'm doing code issue here. Yeah. So, but if we like do code, then I will know like what are my things that I really need to improve also. Yeah. अनि किन जेसन डट पार्स गरेको आई डोन्ट गेट इट लाइक इफ यु सीहरू ओके मेरो यहाँ इरर आएको छैन है ओके लाइक इफ आई डाइरेक्टली टेक दि फ्रम दि लोकल या सो आई गट लाइक मेरो त्यो कन्सोलमा कि मैले त फर्स्ट लाइक एट द फर्स्ट आई डिड नट डिड द्याट बट मेरो त्यो कन्सोलमा इरर आएको आइथ्यो कि लाइक कि होला लाइक वाइ भर्खरै चेन्ज गर्ने बित्तिकै आएन त फेरि त्यो पार्स गर्नै पर्ने होला टोकन या आई हेभ माई टोकन एन्ड युजर अल्सो या बट मैले जस्ट यहाँ भर्खरै त्यो हटाएको थिएँ नि त पार्स भन्नाले अब हाम्रो त जेसन लाइक अब्जेक्टमा आएको छ नि त अनि अब्जेक्टबाट हामीले टोकन त जस्ट भ्यालु मात्र लिनु छ नि त अनि पार्स गरेर कन्भर्ट गर्नको लागि मेन चाहिँ यु क्यान सीहरू कि मैले अब इफ आई जस्ट like if I do this and I refresh, yeah, I will not get the data like let me wait for direct conversationमा आएर we can debug and try to solve with a thought I'm not expert more in case you know sure bro like you can message me on LinkedIn bro like I don't know like what is your real name so sorry for that so okay bye bro good night let's meet tomorrow good luck on your learning sure bro have a good night stay safe and take care bro that's a cool name your video stop like my video stop like okay stream got freeze for short time आयो अनि त्यो युजरको अब्जेक्ट किन लोकल स्टोरेजमा राख्या डिसिसको डिस्कर्ड ओ ओके लाइक क्यान यु सेन्ड मी ओके माई नेम इज द लाइफ अफ विराज अन डिस्कर्ड ओके सो लोकल स्टोरेजमा किन राख्या भन्दाखेरि लाइक ओके सो मलाई लाइक आई निड टु लाइक फर्स्ट अफ अल लाइक टोकनहरू त लाइक हामीले लोकल स्टोरेजमै सेभ गर्छौँ नि त मेन कुरो त भइहाल्यो अनि लाइक द्याट्स द थिङ आइएम अर्निङ फ्रम द स्टार्ट लाइक एन्ड वान थिङ like why I did on the local storage was so I saw you my this Korea like the template dot jsx like from here what I'm doing is why user object oh okay so why this user object because I got the token and like I'm getting here OTP yeah like first of all I'm giving the number and from that number I'm getting the OTP and I'm using that OTP to like take the token yeah and okay this token can also go like after some time this token can be like what it says like this token lesson will not work yeah so on that case I can take this OTP to again refresh the token that's the thing like I'm trying to do but yeah like I removed okay why it is not giving me this I added the this not parts yeah no on the test profile no on the API I removed yeah this one no do not parse like user the like I'm just using it on your this profile. And okay, like the main thing why I took that OTP, yeah, like no, that user was because from this OTP page on the data dot success status, yeah, if you see in the network also, uh, I was getting the token and the user data. Okay, when I did the OTP, I got the token and user data at the response, and I just stored that token and the user data because I was getting that data from the backend, and I thought like I can use this data on something. But like basically I'm mainly using token from that response, but I'm also setting the user. But when you just said me, yeah, like why you are using it and why you are setting it, and now I'm thinking like where I'm using like user is nowhere kind of thing. Bro is talking in code language. uh yeah, I send you request in Discord. Mm-hmm. Sure, okay, I will accept that and we can talk, bro. And bro, like you are in which semester, bro? Like I don't man, you are on third sem or fourth sem, yeah, I think. Like I just went to the second semester, I think 1 2 week ago. But like I'm not going college one day also. Like I'm only going at the exam and doing the practical, and I have assignment, like just finished it my assignment yesterday and still need to do of the other. Me 7 sim, I'm 22-year-old man. Okay, 7 sim, yeah, okay. So which college, bro? I think you are from Kathmandu, yeah. Like I don't even know your real name, bro. So okay, at the first I try I got that name, yeah. And Illuminati, bro. What are you doing, bro? Like what are you learning new things? And I think I'm seeing you after such a long time, bro. Same year. I also attend college lecture. Uh, I also don't accelerate lectures. Attendance 5% wala, yes, KTM. ASMT means, bro, my attendance is like 0 or 1%. Like I never like what is like I'm doing BSc physics, yeah, and for that I don't need any attendance. Just need to go college weekly kind of thing. Like I try to go, but I think I will really focus on that from the third and fourth year. Like because on the third and fourth year my course will be much harder than right now, and so like I'm utilizing this time to learn more about these skills, this tech stack, yeah. And on the BCA, and like on the BCA, my all my friends are like professional, like they are above 25 years, like they also do like full-time job, and they are only uh join the college to get the kind of bachelor degree. So like there is no one my friends to go college, and all my friends and my brother are from my office. So that's it. uh College Asian School of Management and Tech. Okay, bro. No, Asian School of Management and Tech. Okay, bro. Like where it is, like I think I have heard this college somewhere. Like is it near possibility like that Gausala site? Yeah, you you were not coming on my field, not my fault. Okay. Okay, bro. Like, yeah, like what was happening was like the past week my timing was kind of messed up because cause of my assignment and a bunch of things. 6 सेममा प्र्याक्टिकलमा गएको सरले तिमीको अहिलेसम्म देखाएको छैन भने आई थिङ्क माइन केस विल अल्सो बी सेम ब्रो like mainly at the BSc physics. I don't have like kind of one friend also like there. There was one friend, but I think after the first year he went to the USA, so I have no one there. And it is Patel. Hey bro, how are you brother? And where are you from brother? Gangabu joke. Oh yeah, like Gangabu. Uh, are no super chat. I appreciate your effort. No, bro. Like I don't know. Like even to set that super chat. Like I'm not aware at that any kind of thing, bro. Like I'm just coming to live to like basically for to learn, enjoy, share my journey, and just want to like from the January to December. Just I want to improve myself on my like professional and my personal life. So that's the thing, and if you really want to support then just subscribe this channel. Like that will really motivate me to come live daily, and I will come live daily. And I'm also starting to wanting to do kind of a videos also. Like I'm coming live each day, yeah, but I'm not really recording any videos. Like I have 1 year of experience in the SEO, yeah, so I can like really tease about digital marketing also, because at the current office also I am like doing a mentoring on the digital marketing team. So I think I should start one series on like digital marketing kind of thing also. And I'm thinking, should I do like React kind of stuff or not? Just a confused man. I'm Gujarat. I'm from Gujarat, and you, like I'm from Nepal, brother. So I'm from the Nepal. Yeah, Gujarat, bro. Gujarat is having one smart city. Yeah, like I think yesterday or day before yesterday, I read some article regarding that, bro. This man is naive, not a capitalist. अहिले कति पे गर्छ करेन्ट कम्पनीले रियाक्ट जुनियर डेभ खोज्यो भने प्लिज डु रिफर आई एम स्योर यु विल मेन्टर मी आई मिन या लाइक आई थिङ्क लाइक I don't know officially like they are hiring or not, but as we are having two more project on the office, I think they might consider, because now I'm one React and there is one intern, yeah. But we need to. I think there should be a team also, yeah. So sure, bro. We are friend on the Discord, yeah. I will. I think Marco, yeah, bro. Okay. So I will surely communicate with you, bro, for that. So they like junior, like I don't like actually junior how much they pay, but as I told you, yeah. So from the SEO expert role to the React developer, so my pay was not like really set to the React. Like I'm also still getting the same payment as the SEO expert. On this company, this is my first live project, yeah. So after this live project only I want to like really speak, because without doing any live project, I feel like I'm not kind of worthy, like kind of thing. So I'm just waiting for that, and after 1 2 week my this live project will also be completed, and I will speak to the, and I'm thinking to charge around 30 range, like 30 to 40 range, kind of thinking that. Ahmedabad, Dolera, okay bro. Yeah, like the just Patel, bro. Like this is your first time, or are you before also on this live? Yes, Marco. Biraskar, are you a communist? Cause I support democratic values. Uh, like I think uh, I'm just a simple person, so don't share about those kind of values. But not really like specific preference on anything. Just I want to code, man, and from code I want to build my startup. Like every time that is only running on my mind, like how I can learn more and how can I just start my startup. That's the thing I really always thinking about. So okay, let me do one thing, bro. So I think my token problem is solved. Yeah. So if you see here, let me commit it to the GitHub. Mm, bro, what is commit? I always think like what should my commit, bro? Like what should be my commit? Like so on the few other also I can see that commit and really learn. Mm, first time, okay. Thank you, bro, and I hope you have subscribed. Yeah, and thank you for that, bro. Eid Nati Braz will create his own ideology to make world a better place. Sure, bro. Like, I will like as I told you, like I'm going to create my quantum startup. Yeah, like quantum computing startup, and for that quantum computing startup I need a lot of resource. I need a lot of capital also, and for that many thing. Yeah, and if like I'm like 100% sure, like if I'm able to make this quantum computing company, this startup, and how I dream. Yeah, like if I'm able to like actually implement it on a real life, then I can see this world on a new level. Yeah, because from the classical computer to the quantum computer, that's the really a game changing way. Like from all your quantum physics laws are used in the quantum computing. Like so you're like they are like better, like 10 to 20 times like faster than the classical computers. They can also simulate like any sale. So that can be used in the any industry like medicine, chemistry, finance, logistic, all those things. So if I'm able to do that, and as you said, I will create a better place. Thanks for that, bro. uh Biraz nist. Bro, like yeah, Biraz nist. Okay, let me run, okay, this one, and let me show you this one. Okay, like what I did was on this API folder. Yeah, okay, bro, like let me show. Okay, so from that token, yeah, like I did this on the redux. Yeah, from the token I selected the select current token and get state, and I just like console like if I'm getting the token or not for to see that production ni set गरेछ like production, I mean deploy. Yes, bro, like it is deploying the board cell, but अहिले चाहिँ like what is happening in the company. Yeah, like यसको चाहिँ like एउटा app पनि छ होइन, like they are making on the flutter, and like अहिले चाहिँ like first they are really focusing on the flutter, and अहिले चाहिँ flutter को प्रडक्सन नै सकिन लागिसक्यो अनि अहिले लाइक सबै टेस्टिङहरू सकिँदैछ होइन लाइक सो आफ्टर द्याट दि फ्लटर एप like they are like going to focus on the website, and I'm just make suring now to make it working, and like to all those criteria should be met, yeah. And as of today, like my project manager gave me a task to learn Docker and Nginx to just like set up a Docker file, so he can take this Docker containerized file and he can spin up in our BPS like virtual private network. So he is doing that. So like I think not this week but after this week they will also do the production, but now we need to do like a testing, and for that एपको ब्याकएन्ड त यही हाल्ने होला नि तिम्रो ब्याकएन्डको एप यस ब्रो लाइक सेम ब्रो या लाइक वाट आर लाइक एप इज बिङ built from the past 7 and 8 months, and website like I'm building this website from past 2 months I guess, yeah, from the January 5 or 6 I really started this actual project, and this time yeah like March, yeah it is more than 2 months. You people are more hungry for technology than the people here, no doubt. Power is shifting from Europe to Asia. Yeah bro, that's for sure bro, yeah. Like what I think is wait, there is the necessity also, and there is the why, yeah. And the how will all like will come like no matter how. uh do your manager allow to show code publicly? Yeah, not bro, like what I'm doing is uh I have my different brands also, yeah. So this is not my full code because at my development the actual code what I'm doing, yeah, like there are like a must like it is only like 20 to 30%, and on this like Bira's brands and Bira's new Reaper brands, yeah. So these two brands I'm working as kind of a what you say like kind of a testing brands, yeah. So I'm like setting all things here, and I'm doing like a lot learning new thing also. And the main thing is the business logic are the APIs, the endpoint, all those stuff, yeah. So like I'm not exposing it from the start of my life, like from the day one to now. So I think like that shouldn't be a problem, and I also asked to my project manager also, and I said like yeah I'm doing the live kind of thing, and like I basically do my own startup like that art marketplace, but sometimes I like show my like some of the code and try to teach or like kind of try to share my ideas, and he was okay with that bro. Oh, Pinav, hello bro. Hello bro. Point to be noted, Ibra's company code policy no take how sorry थाहा when issue आउँछ. Yes, but like these are not the like full like this dog also I created today, yeah, and I said to the project manager also like the main code are here and the other brands, but yeah, I think I should be more careful. And yeah, bro, thank you a lot. Yeah, you are correct, bro. Like I should not also be like a kind of too much at least regarding this kind of thing because I'm kind of new to this space. That doesn't mean I don't have the responsibilities regarding this. So yeah, thank you for mentioning that, bro. Let me just start my own artisan front end. So on this project, bro, uh, I'm using TypeScript. Like I don't know like really a TypeScript like on too much detail, but I'm using TypeScript. I'm using Next.js. I'm using Tailwind. I'm using Sarsian UI, and I'm going to use like Firebase authentication, and I'm also programming on the backend. And for the backend, what I'm doing is like For the backend, I'm going with the Express, MongoDB, and for the cloud, for the server hosting, I'm using Azure. That's the tech stack I'm following. What is your country name? My country name is Nepal, brother. Nepal. That's scary for us through people here are so lazy they just want con for now. Yes, bro. Yeah, like this the new generation are like getting like not saying on that sense, but as this generation is going forward, yeah, but out that hard work kind of mentality, and like that struggle is getting it is for from our life also, yeah. So yeah, but like before like 100 year or two 5 600 year or before, so all the men lad were on the war, like doing always struggle each day, yeah. But right now like they are just having kind of like a not like you you can feel also, yeah, that way. Like I don't want to say like directly, but yeah. Which country? Nepal, bro, and they get monthly paycheck from the government, so they don't even think of getting a job. Yeah, bro, that's the true thing. At the Nepal also, at the India also, bro. India, Nepal, yes, bro. I went to the gym today. Okay, and talking about next, yes, I'm doing front end अब back end गर्न मन छ full stack को लागि next सिकम कि express node सिकम अब done. So bro, like from my experience, okay, so you can build like full stack with the Next.js also, but like but if you are like doing like my service architecture, yeah, so if your different backend system are on the different server, yeah, then you will need a specific backend express, yeah, or the NIST. But bro, I highly suggest you, like from my experience, uh like you can learn Next.js and you can do full stack on the Next.js also, but do express first, and after doing express and building some project, then if you feel like I don't need this all of these things, and you have really understood the backend, yeah, like what is the real backend, then you can go and try the Next.js. Because I also tried to go through the Next.js route, yeah, and I did some of the like API route, those things like the fetching, calling, but because I did not did the express, yeah, so cause of that I like kind of regret, because if I did that express from the start, my backend logic, my all those routes, my like all the controls method where logic will be much more like mature than now, like. So I think do like express or any backend, but of stand all on backend, and then you can do like next year. So that's my concept, just wanted to share, because if I was on your tech the same time, I will saw just meet this, bro. Have you ever been to Japan? Bro, like I have not been outside this country, like from like my age is right now 19, yeah, like I think I stammer, but my age is 19, yeah. So from age year 1 to age 19, I have never been outside the country, bro. स्केलेबल हुन्छ भन्छ नेक्स्ट यास, अनि जब मार्केट हेरेर चाहिँ कस्तो छ सिचुएसन नेक्स्ट भर्सेस मन्थ. Like many people are like switching to Next.js, but like what they are doing is Next.js versus Mon, not like that. Like they are only replacing the R from the Mon, like Amy Yan Yan. Like they are using MongoDB, they are using Express, they are using Next.js and Node.js, like that kind of way. Like yeah, like there can be some startup that will only like do like Next.js fully, but in the context of Nepal, I think not the I think like stand alone like Next.js for the full backend and front end. I'm not getting any kind of that job thing also, and I don't think like Next.js is also not that much mature also from my perspective, because like still I think 4 months before there was one company that switched from the React to the Next.js, but cause of the Next.js bug on the production, like they really faced a lot of issues. Yeah, so still it is not kind of highly scalable. But if you do like Express and learn all those post router post, all those things, and to create modal, that can really help you, bro. So that's my thing. Mm, yes, bro. So thank you, bro, for this token way. I think from this tomorrow I can like deploy to the Docker also. Just let me go through this code, okay? So node, so it is taking the node version and work directory. And what is this? No cache, okay? Docker. Mm, node applying to understand why leave a seed compact might be needed. Okay, copy. Rebuild the source code only when needed. Yeah, because if you want to like spin up a new container, then you might need that code. Yeah, and bro, like I learned today. Yeah, so Next.js collects completely anonymously telemetry data about general users. That means like Next.js is collecting data of our like what we are building, what we are running. Yeah, and so I did not wanted that to be on my case. So on my that code, like I like turned it off. So from base as runner work directory app, environment work environment production. Okay. So yeah, I this did this one. So run add group system good, okay, not just an express server, and I'm making a new directory next. So I'm just copying it here. So this one and this and user next port 3000 host name 000 and cmd node server, like it is not using Nginx, okay. On the Docker combos version is 3.9 services container and ports. Yeah, and on the next dot config.js you are going to use like output like standard alone, okay. Mm, user experience like yeah, like the main point of like why we used Next.js on our project was also like at the start I was working on the React, yeah, for this project, but we shifted to the Next.js because as for the SEO also, because before I I was on the SEO expert role also, yeah. So on the term of the SEO, so Next.js like what it does is it gives like SSR, yeah. So it gives the prefaced HTML file to the browser. So when the Google bot comes to your browser, so they can like scrape that data, that takes that S1 P tag, and that will make your SEO much more uh like kind of rank high, yeah. So that's the main use case for the SEO. And on the Next.js also, like for the term of the developer, so like we are using like router, yeah. So for to name the folder, yeah, it's so simple, bro. Like if I was on the React, then that Swiss React router dom, those all those things, yeah, I always hated, bro. uh you like facial hair, like you mean this one, bro. So like what I'm thinking is to like for 1 year kind of this yeah, like this 360 day live challenge. I'm just thinking that I will not cut any year like this facial and this year also, and I will just try to and just grow. And I'm also going gym, yeah, like nowadays, like, so just want to make my body, and this year kind of my way, like I'm thinking that way. But let's see, I think after 1 month I will try to cut off. And my girlfriend was also saying to cut my hair, so I'm also thinking I should. And Iron Man, bro, like, have you used TypeScript animal hair? Like, oh, yeah, bro. Like, I went to the hall, like, alone to watch that movie. I watched that movie. It was kind of good, but bro, but Next.js is like too good, man. Brasgar, I think it fits you. Thanks for that, bro. Really. Yes, yes. TypeScript हो काम मेरो काम, bro. Like, I'm not confident on TypeScript, bro. Like just a thing like that. When I'm like just doing this, yeah, like I'm not like I am kind of a free like kind of guy. Okay, so but when I'm doing code on the TypeScript, yeah, like if I don't be like careful also, so some kind of error or what, like if that is expecting some data, yeah, so I try to use like any on the most of the cases, but like, so bro, like what's your kind of tip or like anything like for the TypeScript thing, like how should I like uh, practice it, like uh, what's your thing? Can you assist me something? Neither I am gone now issue I one and continue there I'm continue. But yeah, bro, that's the spirit, bro. Yeah, like we will do it if there is some kind of bug or issue, yeah, we will fix it. Yeah, डाटा टाइप थाहा छ भने त्यही युज गर्ने नत्र any जिन्दाबाद. Yeah, bro, like I also use like any most of the time. And but I really want to learn like TypeScript, like because I'm planning to learn this, okay, this Next.js for my backend. So nowadays I'm learning Express, yeah, so I'm getting some kind of hang on the Express. But after this Express, I really want to learn Next.js for my backend and really want to be good at this, okay. And like so, and this Next is kind of a build on the TypeScript, like it is mainly on the TypeScript, yeah. And for that also I really need to be good at the TypeScript. That's the thing, bro. So today, yeah, it is going to be like 1 a.m., bro. I'm listening to you and coding on the other side. Feels like I have someone in front of me. Thanks for the company. Thanks, bro. Yeah, welcome, bro. And bro, like I think I will also go for bro. Like, so it has been 2 hour. Backendमा चाहिँ अलिक केयरफुल हुनुपर्छ अनि धेरै गर्नु हुन्न. Yeah, yeah, bro. Like, but on my current code of my startup, yeah, like I'm not using TypeScript. Uh, like on the front end, I'm using TypeScript, but on the back end, I'm just using plain JS on the Express. But I think I should upgrade it to the TypeScript after a week. On this week, I'm going to learn more about the TypeScript and be confident regarding that. And Illuminati, bro. So yeah, are you leaving? Please stay for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Oh, okay, okay, sure, bro. Yeah, after the 10 minutes, the time will also be the 1 a.m. So sure, bro. Mm, I was looking some of this stuff. Okay, before coming to live, I was going through this website design it and build faster. So this site helps you to make a sitemap, yeah. So if I'm like making one startup or anything, I should have kind of structure, yeah, like what should my new startup landing page or anything should look like in the wireframe also. Pricing page, export to Figma and Webflow, under the hood, Figma library. I wish you get all the things you dreamed about in your life. Thank you so much, bro. Bro, if I got all the things I dream of on my life, yeah, bro, like I dream so much, bro, like from the time machine to the all like that quantum mechanics, yeah. Why I even started quantum mechanics is to build a time machine, yeah. Like why I am making a quantum computing computer, because with the help of quantum computing computer I can create time machine. So if I got all of the things I dreamed, yeah, bro, I will change this world, bro. But thanks a lot, man. I truly appreciate, and I also hope you will also achieve all the things you want in your life, bro. All the best to just to all of my people here, like who are always here for me. Over effect, search, site, dark design mode, which the future is currently within the user full service software content, make a series. Like for my artist, yeah. So I'm also looking like kind of design for the dashboard. Okay, so I also want kind of some dashboard regarding this that I can use, and that sounds good, bro. Thanks a lot, bro. So I wanted to build one dashboard. Okay, and I think from here I can see. Bro, like past week, yeah, like I used to come live for like sometime half an hour, or at I think at one day, cause there was a cut off of electricity at the night time at my time. Okay, so you can get inspiration from Debol. Oh yeah, bro. Yeah, yeah, Debol. Yeah, and I came like live for the 15 minutes. So I'm like for from the past week. So yeah, so I was not giving the time on the live, yeah. So I'm today giving it nicely. Okay, dashboard. Let me see. Revolve. I want to go inside and see, not out from the outside. I mostly do that. Oh, okay, bro. Revolve. Project manager. So like dashboard kind of e-commerce kind of way. Not a direct e-commerce, but yeah. So kind of use color and font tool to copy it from Dribbble. Like, do you mean like that color picker extension and font tool to copy it from Dribbble? Or no, like, bro, like I didn't understand, bro. So yeah, like I used one extension for the color picker, but it was interfering with my Next.js like that console. Yeah, so I just uninstalled that extension cause of that. Can you recommend me something like name? This one is good, bro. Hmm. Bro, I think I didn't charge my phone today. Hmm. साँच्चैको अँ साँच्चै अघिको प्रोजेक्टमा you were using Axios or not? Font scroll for the I was not, bro. Okay, I was not using, bro. I was not using Axios, but at the one branch, my old code, I use the Axios, like where I did not use the RTK query. Yeah, but if I'm using RTK query, like I don't need the Axios. Like those all those things are like handled by the RTK query. But I haven't like gone through a deep in the React query, bro. Like so now it names like 10 stack query. Yeah, and bro, like I also heard that like 10 stack query has announced it the like full stack framework. Yeah, like okay, like I think yesterday or day before yesterday I uh uh 10 stack 10 stack query, this one. Yeah, ये एक्सियोस नै नचलाए if using RTK query nice था थिएन. Yeah, bro, like I think on the React query we have to use Axios or not, bro. But bro, I think 10 stack query is also like powerful, yeah, bro. Like one thing about article query is we can use extra reducer and we can pass that state to the directly to the redux, and from that we can like do all those state management thing. Yeah, so that's the plus point there, like that like really makes your state management. But I think like this 10 stack query, this React query is also kind of kind of really great, bro, because on the any project also what I saw on the YouTube. Yeah, so they are using it, and I think I should really give my best, bro. So, bro, like, can you say me like this query key? So, from my experience, like from my knowledge, I think this query keys, this name we can give to the different face function. Yeah, like different face API, and if one changes, it will recall. Yeah, like all those APIs, like refresh it. And I think this function query client is mutating query client dot get logger. Font squirrel for the font. FONT font is legit free and quality font squirrel. Oh, okay, bro. Thanks a lot, bro. Use image picker website. It's a website. Uh, IMG color. Oh, you told me IMG. Yeah, I think that is the IMG. Oh, this one. I think yeah. I want to design a premium page for the subscription. Do you have any design? Premium page for the subscription. Do you have design? No, bro. Like I don't think I have, but I think like I can get you some by tomorrow with the help of the UI UX on my team. If you really want that, then 10 stack router चाहिँ आपको देखाएको थिएँ. Yeah, bro. And like uh, this also I heard a story, bro. Like uh, 10 stack video, 10 stack. Mm, STAC 10 stack query full stack 10 stack query full stack project. So that was made by the 10 stack query developer, that founder. I think this one, bro, or no? I'm confused, but every time a new framework, I will copy that. I think one internet is being slow. Is my internet okay for some time? I think yes, bro. Like I see. Uh I so yeah. That YouTuber had made one video regarding the new full stack framework. Yeah, Stream is lagging. Is stream stop for you? Yes. Yeah, I see. Okay. Yeah, like my stream lagged. Like I think there is some internet issues. I think. So bro, yeah, for this I think today this must because like bro, my office is time like from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Yeah, so I need to wake up around 6 a.m. in the morning. So like I will try to sleep at the 2 a.m. Like I need to like read one book I'm reading nowadays, like 4 hour work week. Yeah. So I will read this for like 30 minutes and I will like go back to the sleep. So that's for the 2 days. So have good night, take care and stay safe and thanks for coming to this live and hope to see you tomorrow. Take care bro. Like bye bye, take care. Bye, good night, sleep. म नत्र अफिसमा सुत्नुपर्छ. Bro, like I drink, bro. I just forgot to drink my coffee, bro. Like it's so cold, bro. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, take care, bro. Uh, have a good night. Stay safe. Take care.